Hey everyone, and let me show you guys this wonderful new way to use. That's all he says. Let me listen to the guy. Hold on. All right. So, a lot of you guys are not going to be using ChatGPT in your business because it's not free and also because it's not private. Because ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so many other companies are just on the internet, anyone can get access to it. And so, for a lot of us, we're going to want to keep our data private. There's another way for you to get access to Chat, Llama, and so many different large language models. Have them on your computer and be able to train them to be your own custom GPTs and as make databases that can be your own custom bots and programs right in your computer, 100% free. But nobody's doing it because nobody knows about it because everybody's too busy sharing with all you their affiliate links and their other stuff. So let me show you how. As your favorite black girl in AI, I am Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to get beyond ChatGPT and start using these programs on your own computer by yourself. So first things first, you're going to go here to LM Studio. So let's do it this way. So first things first, you're going to go to LM Studio. All right? Then you're going to go ahead. That's what editing is for, guys. All right. So first you're gonna go on LM Studio. Then you're gonna go ahead and download whichever version works for you. So I'm on Windows. I downloaded Windows. Then when it opens up, it gives you an opportunity to download your first local LLM. So in my case, I'm downloading Gwen by DeepSeek, and that one's gonna take a little while. It allows you to play with the app a little bit while it's in progress, but there's no models there to be loading. So since I am loading Gwen, it's also going to let me load Llama, which is pretty awesome. And I hope you can see right here. I'm going ahead and just downloading these right here. So it's giving me a chance to see what I'm putting in. This is my first time using it. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. I'm not like some sort of fancy coder. I am learning coding and these kinds of things myself. So here we are. We clicked a little. I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to pop this down here. So I started out here in the chat section, and I just actually clicked the little. Ooh, let me show you again. So I started over here in the chat section, and then I click this discover, and then discover. Now I get the opportunity to see a whole bunch of different large language models. Now, as you can see here, I am already downloading Gwen, the DeepSeek. That is the DeepSeek Gwen. That's a reasoning model, and I've got Meta's Llama right there. So since I've already got, let's see, Artistill 7B Gwen on its way. I might look at taking one that's built on Llama as well. I'm going to take a look at these basically, and now I have the opportunity to take a look at all these different models. I've got Mistral, Google's Llama Gemma, Aya, DeepSeek for math. That's super cool to me. To help you write code and improve mathematical theorems. That's really cool. So now I'm just going to go ahead and download a few of these. Now I had to actually check my storage to make sure I had enough space because I definitely do not have enough space. I'm going to look up settings one more again. I gotta go ahead and check out. I gotta personally check my computer settings. So hopefully you can blur that out. And let me just go pause for a second then. All right, everybody, we are back. So our LM Studio has finished downloading. I downloaded 2 models, so we're gonna load those models, and we're gonna see what happens. Because this is my first time doing all this. So I've got all these unnamed chats open. I'm just gonna delete these. Delete. But now I can see I can choose this one. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. Currently loaded in Lana LM Studio Meta. That's the one I'm using now. It's loaded. Okay. I don't know what this means. I can increase the context length. Oh, look at that. It's towards up to a hella tokens. Okay. That's customizable. I don't know what this means. I don't care. I got hella memory. That's why I got like 64 gigabytes of RAM. Keep model memory, reserve versus offload GPUs. No, I want that. Sure. Okay, I don't use it. Okay, so I'm just playing, and then I'm gonna say remember these settings, and we're gonna load the model. We're gonna load this model, y'all. I like how it talks about tokens. I don't. Do I even have to buy tokens? There's nothing consent. Okay. What about this one? I'm gonna up the tokens for this one too, because I live in a wild world, in the wild, wild west. I like the idea. I like the DeepSeek models. I'm gonna keep it off memory, and I remember the settings, and I'm gonna load that one instead. Great. I do not get it, but I'm gonna be a power user. Then we're gonna go to Discover, and I'm gonna get some more models. I was looking at this one. Which one was I looking at? I was looking at this math one, and I was actually just trying to clear space. So one of the things to think about when you guys are doing this is how much space you're using. So I've been going through and looking at what's taking up the most amount of space. I know Amazon Music is going to download some music. I'm debating whether or not I'm going to keep these two beta programs since I have the originals right here. And I will admit that I don't even really use I barely ever use Adobe products. I embarrassingly underuse Adobe considering that I pay for it every single month. So I'm going to just start deleting. I'm just literally deleting programs from here because I don't use Adobe. So just keep that in mind that you may end up having to remove programs if you're like me, because literally everything that takes up a lot of space in your computer is an Adobe product. To the point where like even the 3D generator doesn't use up as much um, space. Like I don't even know what most of this stuff is. I know I forgot I even have Topaz Labs on my computer. This is absurd. So if you're like me, you probably have this problem. So don't be afraid to just uninstall some stuff off your computer. Um, because I have an external hard drive, but this stuff actually has to be sorted on the disk. And funnily enough, I don't have that much music that's taking up space, nearly as much as I do these programs. So we're gonna keep some of the data, but we're gonna remove the programs that we don't need. And so I'm just showing you guys just to remind you all, like this is really important that you guys do this a little bit because your whole system can crash. I have overloaded my computer once or twice, and it's a painful process to get it to work again. Okay, so we did that. I'm gonna be done with that for now. And I'm just gonna check on my device in a moment when I'm downloading. So I'm gonna download this DeepSeek Math. That looks really cool. What's up, StarCoder? No, I saw another one. What does Stable do? Code, an excellent coder. One of the most popular open source LLMs. General purpose daily driver. Let's get that. And then I'm gonna get the DeepSeek coder. This one looks really cool. A younger sibling beating DeepSeek, BCP4, GPT-4, and also has support for 338 languages. Hell yeah. I like that one because I want to do some work in other languages. That's a big token size. Extremely long chats. Ooh, I like that. So I'm bringing some of these guys down onto me, so it's where I can use. So I can. Oh, I've used Hermes too. I liked Hermes. This one specializes in instruction following and creating JSON outputs. So that might be useful. But I think I already have the Gwen instruct right here. Gen 2.5 all-purpose model with up to 1 million tokens in context. That's insane. Yeah, definitely. And also to note that they have a Discord. So I want to show you guys that there's this Discord. I did join the Discord. And it looks like some cool people. They're opening up my Discord app. So, and it looks like it's a cool little crowd here. I'm gonna move you out the way. You can see the Discord for this group. So I hope you guys understand I'm doing a long video here so you guys can cool. Just say hi. Hey everyone. So I'm doing a longer video so you guys can make longer short-term videos, longer videos and short-term videos. So I like this. We're talking on hardware, prompt discussions. This is probably a great space to be if you're trying to learn this stuff. Let's go. And then, but we're gonna stick to this for right now. So we are downloading. We've already downloaded Metalama, DeepSeek R1 Gwen. It's still Gwen. I think I'm gonna download. Which one am I downloading as well? I got the Coder on the way. I got the Mistral, and I got the DeepSeek Math, John. I think this DeepSeek Coder was the one I was excited about because it had the multiple languages, right? That's the DeepSeek. That's this one. Community Coder V2, DeepSeek Community Coder V2. This was one. Coder V2 Light Instruct. No. Which one? I just lost it. Here. That one looked exciting. That's one of the ones. Right. This is the one I'm getting right now. And then I wanted to do one more. I'm going to play with the models. We have a couple coders in here. We already got this llama. Now, if you don't know what this means, because I did not know what even these models were and meant, let me explain. So the model is just the data set by which it's using to get the information. And even though this seems like a lot, these could fit on your phone. So you could you literally could download all of this on your phone. And the cool part is you can pull this off the internet now. Let's see. Metalata Instruct, DeepSeek Distill Llama 3.8, 2.8 Dill Instruct. 7D Instruct Mistral. No, I don't want the Mistral, I want the Gwen. DeepSeek Math 7B. Right, and I've got DeepSeek R1, Distill Gwen 7B. How about DeepSeek R1, Distill Llama 8B? No, I didn't do that one. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Specializes in answering general purpose instruct model. This was a powerful reasoning. Great. I already have that one. So now we got some models. We are waiting to install the last two. We got two that are available. And now we got it here. Now I'm curious about the tokens part. The cool thing is you're able to organize these and create folders. You're able to create new chats, obviously. And the cool thing is too, so you could do one chat under one model and then chat the same thing under the other model. I like that because I like doing that because obviously it's good for you to explain to just see the difference between your models. And yeah, I like being able to see my different things that are going on. I don't know what I'd be duplicating here. And it allows you to add data. So you can have it attached. You can attach files. You can ask it questions, get response. And I like that. You change the mode. User mode is useful for steering a conversation with direction. Can be staged for a few shot learnings. Okay. In context versus assistant scenario. Steering a conversation is for the direction should give staging a few shot learning or in context learning scenarios. I'm gonna have to play with this and figure out what the hell this is talking about. Cause I don't know which is which. So we're gonna play with this for a moment. I'll come right back.